Ang ibig sabihin para sa akin ng bayani ay hindi mo kailangan mag-costume para magmukha kang bayani or magsulat. Basta makatulong ka sa kapwa mo at bukal sa kalooban mo at wala kang hinihinging kapalit, isa kang bayani.
Being a bayani for me, it's simply being there or being able to show up kung saan ka expected and being able to do your role.
Sa akin, sir, bayani is something selfless, sir. Kumbaga, bago mo isipin yung sarili mo, iisipin mo muna yung kapakanan ng ibang tao. Sa service, sir, kung ganun tayong lahat mag-isip, hindi na mahihirapan yung kasama mo, sir. Kasi nga, iniisip mo siya, tas you din, may nag-iisip din para sa'yo.
It's not always about the grand acts. Sometimes, even in a quiet resolve that you stand up for what is right.
Ang bayani, ang hero, are ordinary people faced with extraordinary challenges. And at the end of the day, they still find it in themselves to choose the right thing, even if it is difficult.